Hey guys, it's Casey. I'm happy to be here with you today to share some exciting things coming to Inkwell. We have been working over a year trying to find some solutions for our customers to get art that they can use in their small business to help them grow. A lot of times we rely on Etsy, other artists, and a lot of people ask me for help all the time. And the honest truth behind it is I just didn't have the time to work on a lot of custom art all the time. Like it would be every single day a full-time job. So I've been working with other companies and finding my resources and hiring a few people to help me be able to edit and create pieces that you can use and profit from in your company. So what we have first, we have an art portal, okay? This art portal is artwork that we can edit for you for personal use, no third party, okay? We can print it and you can print it. That's what that means, no third party. As far as the art itself, you're going to have a wide variety of art that is awesome. And honestly, you'll get a new art loaded to there every month. Basically holidays, different sports that's coming in tax. So it's not just a stagnant set of art. There's also clip art and other things in there that you can send to us and we can work with to help you create a piece that you can be proud of and present to your clients or, sell at your companies, boutiques, whatever you're doing. It's not just sports. It's also local organizations, fire, police, band, chess club, lots of different things that you're going to be able to offer that you probably didn't even think of before. Now, one thing that's important, this is the first part of our art drop, okay? On March 1st, we will have a second portal, and this is going to be work that you can edit. It is not the same pieces that you're getting in this collection or catalog that we could edit, okay? For the most part, they are totally different. There may be a little crossover, but not much. The other portal is going to be outside of our Shopify page, so it's something that we're really going to work with you and have to set up. Okay, so let's take a look at it so you can see what it looks like on our webpage. So we have two places to get it. It says need art help here at the top, right here, or it says now available, click here to get art help. Okay, so I'm just going to click up here, need art help, and it's going to open up this right here, and it tells you in here, it says, please make sure you click the purchase link prior to submitting your art information to begin the customizing process. So in order for us to start on it, you're going to have to actually pay for a purchase first and then include that information in what you're sending to us. I do have it right here. It says click here. We are starting these out at a lower price for right now. They will probably go up. We just have to make sure that we are covering the system itself. Right now, it is very, very, very expensive. I'm not going to lie to you. And if it doesn't go well, it's not something we're going to be able to keep. As a business, it just would not make sense because it's really expensive. Excuse me. All right, so what you're going to have to do is you're going to scroll here, and you have some cool things. You can go to category, and you could look for what you're doing. Look, there's church, you got church camps, you got clubs, you got concepts, environmental, family, ranch, farm, first responders, holidays, kids stuff. You have styles that you can look for. So maybe you need athletic, certain things that you're kind of needing to find. And then you have collections that says pro graphics, which they again look super awesome. So let's just go scroll down here and say we are looking for something for baseball. Baseball's in full swing right now, so I'm just gonna select this one. So what I would do right here, all these notes are stuff that we can see, okay? So you're gonna put in here some notes. Maybe you're gonna tell me the school's name that you want up here and the year and the mascot. Maybe you have a different class A. You're going to give me as much detail as you can on here. Maybe you don't want district playoffs, so you tell me that. You're also going to put in here your order number, okay? So you'll get an order number for the piece of art that you want. And then I'm going to click Add Items. All right, so maybe you don't like this middle baseball piece, but then you find a different baseball piece that you like that you would rather have it in the middle. And you like this one better. So you're going to click that and put centerpiece, the baseball and the guy or something like that, and put add item. So when you go to submit, both of these things are going to be there, okay? You're going to put your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, any more information that you need. Again, if you want to put the order number in there, that's helpful. I am not a robot, and submit the design. And then it's going to come straight to us. One thing I want to make sure that I say is like on this art right here, see that's, if you just send something like that, it's going to be a lot quicker. If we have to change out like pieces and stuff like that, it might take a little bit longer. So just be aware of that. So for this one, I'm just going to get rid of this one and just say I like this one right here. If you find like 6 pieces of art that you like and you just want them edited individually, you can do that. Just put the order number in there and we'll handle it accordingly. It's not a big deal. There's no reason to go make like 3 different purchases for 3 different art pieces. You can just do 3 and send them in. Let me show you what that would look like. So maybe you want this one and then you're like, I want this baseball one right here. I'm going to put in my information. And then maybe I want to do something for seniors. So I'll do this one and add this one. So all I would do is when I submit the design and just put, in the more notes and details you can give, the easier it's going to be, order number 94216. This is for 3 separate art pieces. And, the information is with each art piece. You could add the notes right here. Tell us what you're looking for, colors, specifics like that. And just make sure that I know that these are individual art pieces. That's not something, you're trying to merge into one big art piece. And again, that would take a lot of work, okay? I'm just telling you that is going to be closer to the longer day stretch than if you're just looking for tweakings on individual pieces. So that is the exciting news that we have to start out with. This, again, is art that's readily available to you. You can look for different designs and see what we have and see what you need. If clients are asking you, hey, I need a design that's maybe for your local fire department, you can quickly go to the first responders here. We'll go with police instead of fire. And, it's got a lot of dispatcher stuff on here, canine unit, stuff like that. I mean, you could show them. I'm not sure that you could save or anything like that. It might let you screen clip or something like that. And then you can send it to them as an example, or you could go ahead and pay for the art. And it'll at least get you started with the process. So like always, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, make sure you reach out to us and let us know what's going on, and we'll help you with the best way that we possibly can. This tool is supposed to help you grow, help you have new ideas and new tools to present ideas to your clients, in turn makes your business grow. As always, when you grow, we grow, and that's just the way that we're looking at this. Make sure you comment. Any comments and concerns that you have, or maybe you like this feature. It's always good to know when you like something, right? Um, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks, guys.